Hey guys, welcome back to Cook&Fly. Thank you very much for watching this video. Today I want to share with you a beautiful summer watermelon and feta cheese salad. That's why I have a lot of watermelon here. And we're going to be dressing it with vegan pesto. So that's why I have a lot of basil here. And we're going to be using some parmesan as well.
Or parmesan cheese.
But if you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscriing now or hit that like button, or you can follow me on Instagram as well.
So let's see what we're gonna need.
Alright, so for the pesto we're gonna need pine nuts, the vegan parmesan cheese, some salt and pepper, olive oil, a lot of basil, and 2 cloves of garlic. And for the salad I'll be using watermelon, Granny Smith apple, 1 avocado, and some feta cheese. Okay, so let's start with our vegan pesto. I'm gonna cut some of my basil leaves. We're gonna need around 2 handfuls of basil leaves. Alright, so after peeling my basil leaf plant, we're gonna blend it with the pine nut and the garlic cloves, and maybe use around 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You might need a little bit more, you may not need. Okay, so let's blend this. Sorry for the noise. So my blender didn't want it to blend the pesto, so I'm using this small food processor. It's almost ready, so I'm gonna add some of the parmesan cheese. I suggest you use 1 or 2 spoons, however it's honestly up to your liking, so just feel free. I'm adding a bit more of the olive oil and finally some black pepper. Alright, I'm gonna finish blending the pesto. Perfect! That's it, we're done. Okay, so we're gonna keep our pesto on the side, and then we're gonna continue to cut our ingredients for the salad. I've transferred the pesto to a container where I'm gonna keep it, and I obviously didn't put salt. Now it's perfect. Now that we made sure the pesto is good, I'm gonna cut some of the ingredients. I'm gonna cut the watermelon, the apple, and the avocado. And what I'm going to do with the watermelon is I'm gonna make some cubes. Cubes with the apple, and same with the avocado as well. So I've made 2 big slices of watermelon. Then I'm gonna cut the center. Alright, so I made 2 big rectangles, and don't throw the rest because you can make some watermelon juice or something like that. Alright, so I thought I was filming, but I was not, obviously. What I've done is I cut down the watermelon until I had these batonnets of like maybe 10 centimeters per 1 centimeter, something like that. And again, the rest, we can eat it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep the watermelon here, and we're gonna do the same with the rest. Once you cut the apple, I will suggest you to keep it on cold water and a bit of lemon so it will not turn dark. Try to get green avocado so it looks beautiful on the plate. If you have avocado that has a bit of a dark area, you can still use it for guacamole, but not for the salad because it won't be nice to see it on the plate. It might be a bit difficult to get the shape we want, but you can do it with a bit of patience. Alright, I have the avocado ready, the watermelon, the apple, and now last but not least, the feta cheese. I'm only using around 100 grams because it's only for myself and the cat, but you can obviously double the size if you want to. Alright, that's it. I'm done with this. Now we're gonna plate it. Okay, so to plate it I have this big bowl. Even if it's a portion for one, I like to use these big plates, so don't judge me. And what I'm gonna do first is add some of the pesto as a base. I'm placing the plate here so you can see better what I'm doing. We're gonna place one by one all our cubes, alternating the colors. I'm almost there. Okay, so we are done placing the ingredients down. Now we're gonna finish it, decorating it, and I'm gonna add some more pesto. And finally, I'm just gonna cut some more leaves from a basil plant. Alright, we are done. Look at that. I hope you can do it at home. It's very easy to do, it just takes a bit of time. But as you can see, I have a lot of pesto here for like many other salads or whatever you want to use it. And I really hope you like the recipe, and if you haven't subscribed, maybe consider subscribing now. If you want the full written recipe, you can find it on Cook&Fly on Instagram, and maybe you can follow me as well. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.